Hello friends, have you ever encountered a situation where you want to filter some data to have glance of the inside, but you don't have your laptop or desktop? If yes, this video is meant for you. You know, you can do it with your Android phone also. So what you have to do, you have to just download Office 365 app and follow the steps. So for just the reference example, I have created a table where I have employee name and their respective department. Now what I have to do, I have to filter out which employee works in which department. So what I will do, I will just replicate the table here by selecting it. Now here I will write a simple Excel formula of filter. So what I will do, I will do equal to filter. Now what it is asking? It is asking for array. So here I have to define my complete data range. So what I will do, I will select my complete table. Now it is asking include. So I will go to include. I will include department. Now here I have to give cell reference for through which I want to filter data. So I will give D3, and if empty, I'll leave it. Since there is no value in D1, what I will do, I will write HR, and here we have the name of the people who works in HR only, and from here I can have the count of it. In same way, if I have to filter out who works in IT, I will just simply clear it out, and I will write IT. Again, I can see the count of people here. I hope this will help you to analyze your data when you don't have your laptop or desktop available with you. Thanks for watching.